The Rolls-Royce Motorhome, which is anticipated to be shown to the general public in the year 2025, has established a new standard for luxury travel. This development is expected to take place in the year 2025. Guests are provided with an experience that cannot be replicated while they are going on the road by means of this luxurious automobile. In order to achieve this, it combines the well-known elegance of the brand with the comforts that are normally found in dwellings that are considered to be of extremely high quality. A touch of elegance contributes to the interior. The interior of the RV features a sizable living space that is distinguished by the presence of handcrafted wood paneling, high-quality leather couches, and ambient lighting. This living area is the first room that you will encounter when you enter the motorhome. The design places an emphasis on comfort and sophistication, which results in the creation of an environment that creates an atmosphere that is comfortable and suitable to activities that are considered to be leisurely. Locations for individuals to relax and unwind. In the bedroom, which is equipped with a king-size bed, cabinetry that has been crafted, and cutting-edge technologies for controlling the temperature and humidity, there is a quiet retreat that is offered for the people who are staying there. Even though you might be going to a number of different places, the purpose of this is to ensure that you will have a restful night's sleep regardless of where you are going. Amenities of the highest quality and dimensionally superior. Every aspect of the design demonstrates Rolls-Royce's dedication to luxury, including the bathroom, which features a walk-in rain shower, marble finishes, and high-end equipment. Rolls-Royce is known for its commitment to luxury. An excellent illustration of the company's designs may be seen in each of these components. Those who are employed in the fields of innovation and performance. In addition to being constructed on a sturdy chassis, the recreational vehicle is propelled by a hybrid engine that not only provides a performance that is smooth, but also demonstrates an exceptional level of efficiency. The availability of contemporary suspension systems and the prospect of autonomous driving make it possible to guarantee that passengers will have a journey that is not only comfortable, but also safe.